Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. Hey my friends, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg and welcome back to another review. This time I'm going to be reviewing Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. So this is going to cover everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and how you can profit from it, guys. I have demo access, as you can see down here. We're going to take a deep dive look into this product to see if it is right for you. Also, I have absolutely amazing bonuses that complement this product, Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. So with that being said, you guys, I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. So, as I said, Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded is everything you need to know about Bitcoin. And this is going live on January 29th, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time. It is being launched by Ibrahim Tijani, and it will stay up until 11:59 February 1st. That is my bonus page. Now you have a couple more days to actually grab the product, but my bonus page is going to stay up until that time. So if I just take you over here, you guys, this is Kieran's amazing bonus bundle. And guys, we're going to learn all about Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded, what it has to offer, and also look at my bonuses. Then we're going to look in the sales page. We'll check out the members area and what you're going to get with them. And finally, we're going to look at the price and the upsells. Okay, so let's continue, guys. What is Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded all about, and why should you get Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded? So cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central powers, as you know. Also, guys, with inflation getting higher and higher, money is moving to different places. The central banks are creating this situation of inflation right now. So people are moving their money into something that the Fed cannot control, the central banks cannot control. Cryptocurrency is one facet that they cannot control. There's already countries that are adopting it. El Salvador, for example, it is legal tender over there, and it is only a matter of time, in my opinion, before other countries start to adopt the same fundamentals as El Salvador and some other countries. And guys, increased adoption is likely, led by improved understanding, regulatory clarity, and blockchain gaming, guys. So what you're going to learn inside is, of course, what is Bitcoin, the lowdown on Bitcoin investing, how Bitcoin works, how you can acquire the coins, choosing the right Bitcoin wallet, getting ready for Bitcoin trading, real-life Bitcoin investment strategies. Very important, avoiding Bitcoin and cryptocurrency scams. A lot of people have lost a lot of money because they've been misled by nefarious people. So this is going to show you how you can avoid that. And Bitcoin investing best practices, guys. Fantastic stuff. Something we all need to at least learn more about. Now, guys, my bonuses that I'm going to take you, we'll check out the key benefits and the price in a minute here, you guys, but I want to show you my awesome bonuses. So my first bonus is called Coin Smash. This is a product that is all about cryptocurrency and how you can be an affiliate with cryptocurrency. So you can make money with the currency, but also there are sites that if you promote certain products on these sites, you can also get the commissions on these crypto sites as well, you guys. So it's like a 2-for-1 kind of thing with the cryptocurrency world. And these guys, Deepa and Nancy, go into a deep dive and show you everything you need to learn about how to do this and make money, guys. So perfect complimentary bonus that I'm giving you along with this product, Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. Next one, you guys, is what world famous multimillionaire trader is doing with the current Bitcoin price action right now. So as you know, the stock market is a little teetery. People are a little bit scared about interest rate hikes. Also, cryptocurrency tends to follow the stock markets. Thus, the price has been lowered recently. Some people are freaking out. This guy, I follow him. He is a multi-millionaire trader. He looks at the fundamentals and he has rolled up his sleeves and spent thousands of dollars, hundreds of hours researching He does a fantastic analysis breakthrough that is going to show you whether or not you should stay on the sides, whether or not you should avoid Bitcoin, or maybe even be purchasing it. Hint, hint, he's purchasing it, okay, at these levels. And he's going to show you the reasons why, the charts why, the history why, not just blindly buying. These people are rich for a reason. They do their homework. This gentleman is going to help you out immensely in your understanding of the current situation of the cycle of the price action as well. Next one, you guys, Latitude. Latitude is a fantastic product by a 12-year-old boy named William, who is crushing it creating NFTs, buying and selling NFTs. You're going to learn how to create your own NFT, or if you don't want to, how you can just create your account and you can buy NFTs, you can sell NFTs. Fantastic stuff that you're going to need to learn more about, especially as the world adopts NFTs more frequently. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, by the way. Plenty of value in here, and it does complement the Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. Also, guys, if you have a business, if you want to be promoting this service, your services to other people, the money is in the list, as they say. Top 5 email marketing tips from a 7-figure marketer. Again, this is from another person who is at the top of their game in affiliate marketing. If you are doing affiliate marketing, or if you're doing any kind of online business, you want to be building your list. This is going to show you some tips, the top 5 from somebody who is doing it. He is putting his money where his mouth is. More fantastic value for you, okay? And of course, we have the vendor bonuses that we're going to look at in a minute. So you guys, you have 4 days and 2 hours to get this as I'm doing this review. All you need to do is click on any of these red buttons here. That's going to take you to the sales page, which will look like so. You click on one of these red buttons, click here to get instant access, and then it will take you to Warrior Plus, which is where this product is being held. You will, of course, access your purchase, but access affiliate bonus. You want to click on this, and then it's going to take you to this page here, which is where you're going to access all of my bonuses that I have selected, that I have combed the desert, if you will, for you guys to get extra value in this crypto market. It's crypto, this universe, okay? So, guys, let's continue. Let me take you now to the sales page. Also, guys, you can find me on kieranghogg.com, where I have lots of videos, lots of tutorials about making money online, affiliate marketing, if that's what you're interested in. Also, you can check me out on my YouTube channel. I've got tons of videos there about previous products, also some hacks and tips how to make money online. So lots of information that you're welcome to come and check out at your own time. But enough of that being said, you guys, let's go check out the sales page. So like I said, you guys, you just click on here to get that product. We know about this. This is already in my bonus page, which is going to be down in the description below, so you can watch this again on your own time and really go through it to make sure that, yes, this is what you're going to want to learn to get that cryptocurrency knowledge and make money from it. So guys, I'll let you check this out mostly on your own time. Most of the stuff that I wanted to show you is in my sales page, my bonus page, as I said. So look here, guys, all cryptocurrencies. We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and Cardano, and BNB. I forget what that one is. So you're going to look, guys, and also a lot of other successful billionaires have been buying cryptocurrency. So if you follow what billionaires are doing, chances are you're in good company. All right, guys, so you're going to learn, how to avoid scams, the best kind of Bitcoin wallets, etc., etc. You're going to learn, I've already talked about this, what is a Bitcoin, avoiding Bitcoin scams, finding the best wallets, Bitcoin investing practices. And I want to get you to some bonuses here, guys. So number one, their first bonus is the Bitcoin Breakthrough Cheat Sheet. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so you can make sure you have the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Okay, so these guys are going to break it down. If you're a newbie to Bitcoin, you've seen the rise and the fall. It's very volatile, right? So timing or how aggressively you go buy it is very important. Most people suggest buying it in pieces, right? Because it does just go up and down so incredibly high. Next one, guys, the fast action bonus 2 is the mind map. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Number 3 is the resource guide. This gives you a quick point of reference to all of the references mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for, guys. And this is all done with a 30-day, 100% guaranteed money back, risk-free. So if there's anything that you don't agree with or it isn't what you thought it was going to be, you can get your money back. But guys, just alone with my bonuses, you are getting insane value along with this product, Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. Okay, you guys, so here we are in the members area. So first of all, they're going to say thank you for your purchase, and then download your core training and resources here. So this is where you'll get the Bitcoin Breakthrough Training Guide. Simply right click on the download link and you'll have this as your training guide, and you can go through all that and learn all the valuable information that we have discussed thus far in the Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded product review. And here are the bonuses that they promised you guys. The Bitcoin Breakthrough cheat sheet, you can just click here to download that. The Bitcoin Breakthrough mind map, click here to download that. And the Bitcoin Breakthrough resources, where you can download that as well, you guys. So limited time offer. I'm sure you're not going to get a lot of value. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of value from this entire package. To get more high-level training and updates on this package, sign up below. So you guys, they're gonna train you to have more success if you sign up down below. All right, so that is the members area. Now, guys, I'm going to take you through to the price and the upsells. So, guys, the front end, the Bitcoin Breakthrough price is going to be $12, and then with all my other bonuses, these are just thousands of dollars of value that you're getting as well. Next one, guys, is the OTO1, the Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded Video Pro at $27 with a downsell of $19. And the upsell number 2 is a Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded Master Resale Rights. So you can have the resale rights. You can sell this product on your own and get 100% of the funnel of the profits yourself with a downsell of $39. Okay, so of course, the front end at $12 is a no-brainer, especially when you're getting all of my fantastic bonuses that are going to complement this and give you so much value as well. And perhaps you could get the downsell of the OTO1. Okay, so you're going to see it done video. Some people learn a lot better seeing it on video rather than just in a book. So I would consider the $19 for the OTO1 as well. Excuse me. Now, guys, I just want to summarize the key benefits of what you're going to be getting with Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. You're going to learn how to avoid scams in cryptocurrency, how to work the blockchain technology, how to keep your Bitcoin safe in the best wallets, know the best way to obtain Bitcoins and the best investment strategies, and how to invest in cryptocurrencies and make a good return on your investment. So this is more of a longer term play, in my opinion. If you're just trying to get in and out of Bitcoin, it is very volatile and it can hurt you if you're just looking to hold it for a few weeks. But if you're looking for a few years or possibly a lifetime down the road, Bitcoin is a fantastic option. It has blown away anything else in the last decade. And with central banks just going crazy with the money printing, with the inflation going up, we need to keep something out of their greedy little hands, if you know what I mean. So Bitcoin is not owned by any entity. It is owned by basically the people. So this is the kind of first system that the people can own, and then they were the first ones in, and then the big wigs got in after. So it is already down 50% from its highs. very good time to possibly enter, dip your toe in, and then learn this stuff from the boys here, Ibrahim. And also my bonuses, you're going to get tons and tons of value from, guys. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, you didn't get in earlier, but you're very, very curious about it, this is the situation that you want right here. So guys, once again, you're just going to click on any of these buttons and then you get all of my bonuses here, the Coin Smash, what a multi-millionaire trader is doing with the current Bitcoin price, latitude, and top 5 emailing tips from a 7-figure marketer, plus all the vendor bonuses as well, guys. And like I said, you can find me at KieronGHogg.com, but probably the easiest way to get to me is just to leave a comment down below. And of course, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you will be notified of my upcoming reviews and upcoming videos about making money online. So this wraps up my review of Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded. You've got plenty of time to get it. And of course, you want to get it with my links because I have some fantastic bonuses that truly complement the Bitcoin Breakthrough Reloaded product. Thank you, guys. This is Kieron Hogg. I want to thank you for your time. I hope you got some value from this, and I will talk to you soon. Best of luck on your Bitcoin journey, and if you're doing make money online or affiliate marketing, best of luck with that as well. And I'm always just one message away. I'll talk to you soon, you guys. Take care.